Welcome to Astro5s.com. Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Moon in 3rd house. About Moon. Rules is Cancer. Exaltation is Taurus. Detriment is Capricorn. Fall is Scorpio. Responsible. Mind. Material. Assets property. Mother. Represents. Domestic, nurturing urge. Anatomy. Breasts, stomach, fluid balance of the body, digestion, glandular secretions, left eye of male, right eye of female. Keyword is emotions. General. The Moon in the chart prominence is important because this is the planet closest to Earth and moves fast through the zodiac. It represents the principle of women, mother, wife and women in general. Instinct, mood, tide, phase, receptive ability, motivation, feeling, habit, reflexive action. Its actions affirm and change. Adjust personal interests, desires, needs, magnetism, growth and fertility, need to touch, unabated and conscious. Fluid rules, commodity relations, sailing, brewing, nursing, trade people and the general public. Where you found the Moon in the chart shows where you are for emotional ups and downs. 3rd house, here. It shows your immediate environment. Short trip, communication, conscious mind, early education, brothers and sisters. Natural sign is Gemini. Natural ruler is Mercury. Keyword is awareness. 3rd house is a house of side-by-side relationships and air. Quality is cadent. General. The 3rd home will be your local environment, your siblings and all forms of communication, such as speaking and writing. It also indicates transportation including short trips. It shows the adaptability of your mind to learning and with new ideas, your ability to relate to your environment and your licensed skills. It shows the conscious and objective part of your mind and your elementary school. The Moon in the 3rd house. You are dramatic, recollected and intellectually curious, this gives you an attractive personality. The Moon placed in the 3rd house in your birth chart shows that you have a strong need to communicate with others and keep up with all the latest news. You also have a storage memory and the ability to talk on any topic, taking pieces of information from the hollow parts of your mind. You also want to express your ideas to as many people as possible, the more fun. Ancient astrologers considered the Moon to rejoice in the 3rd house, also considered the home of the goddess. Therefore, you are likely to enjoy an attitude of disrespect to life. You are restless, like traveling, and easily affected by your environment. This may be through rebellion, speaking up for reasons that stir up your emotions or perhaps a bad sense of joy. Your sense of humor can help you, and others, through difficult situations. With this position of the Moon, you may enjoy acting, writing, singing, comedy or public speaking. It is important that you express yourself, whether in private or public life. This is your life and you need to speak up. Short journeys and changing environments also appeal to you with more food to think about and satisfy your curiosity. In some cases, your thirst for new and stimulating activities can lead to unfinished achievements, because you simply cannot keep up with everything in life. Your siblings are important to you and they are often helpful. You can change schools often, and you often lack concentration when studying. You learn the most by listening to others, you have a good memory but don't like daily habits. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions please tell me. If you want free horoscopes please watch below video. Thank you, see you in the next video.